In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a product name in Shopify. Changing a product name is a simple but important update, whether you're rebranding, improving your SEO, or just fixing a typo. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps inside your Shopify admin and share a few tips along the way so you know exactly what you're changing and why it matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify dashboard. This is your store's main admin area where you manage products, orders, customers, and all your settings. Once you're on the dashboard homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different sections like home, orders, and so on. From that menu, click on Products. This will open a page that lists all of the products in your store. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of items and want to quickly find a specific product. Searching by your current product name, SKU, or even part of the title can help narrow things down. Next, click on the product whose name you want to change. This will open the product details page. Here, you'll see the current product title at the top, along with fields for description, pricing, inventory, and images. Now, move your cursor into the title area. Click in the field where the current product name appears. Once your cursor is active there, you can delete or edit the existing text. Type in your new product name exactly as you want it to appear on your store. Take a moment to double-check spelling, capitalization, and clarity. A clear, descriptive name helps customers understand what the product is and can also improve how it appears in search results. When you're happy with the new name, look toward the top or bottom of the page for the Save button. Click Save to apply your changes. Shopify will update the product, and after a moment, the new name will be reflected in your product list and on your storefront. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed a product name in Shopify by going to your